Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2014 Bentley Continental. So from any screen, if we go onto nav like so, click on nav, you'll see there in the bottom left-hand corner is new destination. Click new destination. Sorry, just checking my cameras were going there. New destination, address. Click on address. Now you've got city and postcode. If we click on city and postcode, then trying to click the actual postcode doesn't work, so you've got to click on the side, the city and postcode, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston PR. We now need to go to numbers. So over in the corner, the bottom left-hand corner there, if I click on that, we've got the numbers up, and it's 5, 4, back to A to Z there, E, A, PR5, 4EA, click on that to select, enter street, I don't want to do that, enter destination from map, finish destination entry, start route guidance, that's it, I just want the postcode, so you can narrow it down, but I've clicked start route guidance.
The route is being calculated.
Now that shows it on the screen there.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
And it also shows it on the dash in the centre. That's how you do that.